Simple Man, Leonard Skinner. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. Simple Man by Leonard Skinner. I have a correction. My last video I put out was Venus by Shocking Blue, and I was saying I play on a CA58 uh, CA58 Casio, which is totally wrong. I play on a CA58 Kawai. Yeah, this is my Kawai piano, which is very expensive. And the only downfall I have with it is that it don't have a split keyboard, or it don't have a where I can actually add a distortion in it. But it's a good keyboard. So I have this keyboard in my bedroom, but then I got acoustic piano in my living room. I play on mostly. I play on the acoustic piano a lot more than I do this one. And that's how I learned, I play classic rock all day long on the radio. And that's how I picked up this song, which is Simple Man. And that's why you'll notice a lot of songs that I'll be teaching you is in like a sharp or flat. And the reason why is because I'm playing right along with the song. So this song, you can play right, it's in the original key of what the song's in, which is a G sharp minor. G sharp minor, A flat, whatever you want to call it. So there we go. Here's how this song begins. It's like it goes of course it's a guitar. Of course, now this song's got a lot of lead in it that I don't have, but I'm just giving you the foundation. Mama told me when I was young, come and sit beside me, my only son. Listen closely to what I say, and it will help you some sunny day. Yeah, and then it goes. I'll keep playing that. See what I'm doing? But your troubles come, they will pass. Find a woman you love, and find a woman you find love, and don't forget, son, there's someone above. And be simple whole song. That is it. That's the chords that's in it. That's the whole song right there. Of course, you got your lead and stuff, but I'm just giving you the foundation. You work with it from there. If you try, and don't forget to be satisfied, yeah. So there you go. The whole song is simple, man. And so just work with it. Pretty easy. And so now I'm going to show you what your next song is going to be. Till next time. Later.
I think I'll go get me a 12-pack.